In this video, we will present the Convert Fill to Centerline option. There will be times when you need to create a line object based on the shape of a fill object. The first thing you need to do is to select a fill object. Right-click and from the appearing menu, use the Convert Fill to Centerline option. The selected object is now a line object, as the fill stitches have been removed. The outline type that will be applied on the new line object depends on the width of the initial object. If the width of the initial object is more than 1 mm, then Satin Serial will be applied. If the width of the initial object is anywhere from 0 to 1 mm, then running outline will be applied. Likewise, you can apply it to text objects and create small text objects with running stitch. This is also an easy way to decorate line objects using any of the available styles.